First, insert the cable of the card reader into the corresponding interface. Then insert the NAX antenna into the opening below. Insert is the NAX signal receiver into the top hole of the machine. Then, place the base of the network signal receiver in the same way onto the top. Select the type of network connection you need, Wi-Fi or 4G. Insert the other end of the antenna into the interface on the top of the Android board. Finally, install the upper end of the network antenna signal receiver from the outside of the top of the machine. After installation, you will notice that customers cannot damage the antenna from the outside. Insert a SIM card into the slot at the bottom of the Android board.
Okay.
Connect the antenna to the 4G interface. First, open the back cabinet door of the machine. Open the cabinet on the right side of the water tank. For the 2.5L water tank, fill with distilled water and add fragrance to make a 5% fragrance solution. Open the drain valve, wait for a few seconds, and then let the water flow out. After that, expel the air from the drainage pipe. This can prevent the machine from failing to spray out steam promptly in its initial few runs. Finally, insert the drainage pipe into the hole at the bottom of the machine, and it's done. Plug the power cord into the socket at the bottom left corner. Turn on the RCD switch. Click the blank area at the top of the application 3 to 5 times. Enter your account and password. Click to exit the Degma app. Click on the setting button at the bottom left. Enter the Wi-Fi settings and connect. Return to the app and check if the network connection is successful. Click on More. Enter the cellular network and set the access point name. Click the plus sign on the upper right corner. Set both the name and the APN to 8. Click on the Save button on the top right corner. Select A, and then the settings are completed. Click the blank area at the top of the application 3 to 5 times. Enter your account and password. Scroll down on this page. You can set the default language, main color, currency symbol, payment method, etc. of the DKM app. After completing the settings, click on the Save and Reboot button at the bottom and wait for the application to restart. Click the blank area at the top of the application 3 to 5 times. Enter your account and password. Click the Exit App button, then open the settings. Click on the Language column. Click to add the language. Search for the language you need and add it. Drag and drop the language you want to select onto the first column. Return to the Settings page. Locate the Time section and click to enter. Turn off the automatic time zone. Select a time zone. Click the blank area at the top of the application 3 to 5 times. Enter your account and password. Scroll down to find the Test button. Pressing this button allows you to test the function of the fan. This button can be used to test whether the electrically operated door is functioning properly. When the UV sterilization button is pressed, the ultraviolet lamp will remain on constantly. When this button is pressed, the cleaning module will release ozone. After pressing this button, wait for a moment and the cleaning module will spray out steam. After activating the drying function, all the fans will begin blowing hot air. Open the back of the machine. At the bottom right corner, there is a controller. Locate it. The controller has 3 buttons corresponding to different functions. You can adjust the color of the lights by pressing this button. By pressing this button, you can adjust the brightness of the lights. The last button can control the different flashing modes of the lights. Come and choose the effect you like. Go to the DKM website and log in with your account. Click on the folder at the bottom right corner. Find the advertisement. Pictures in the USB drive. Copy it to the built-in computer. Simply reopen the software and the advertisement will appear.